So this was literally why I was able to catch Euro USD from the very, very lows. I got a neat, simple, sweet, clean entry, and then it ran up 715 pips. What's good, guys? This is your man Harrison back again with another video. I'm in my car, family. Oh my gosh, it feels so good to be back in the whip. Land Rover that had my car for nearly about 4 weeks, man. And yeah, it was different. Driving that Land Rover Discovery Sport wasn't the same, man. It's just good to be back in the car, uploading videos and all of that stuff, man. So guys, let's get straight into these markets. So, Mohid on my must-have apps for Forex trading video said, why did you say Euro USD was going to rise? And so guys, I'm about to give you the source. You're not going to find this anywhere, you know, but because you guys have been so faithful, you guys have been showing love in the videos, all that appreciation and everything else, I'm going to go ahead and dish out the strategy to you guys. I'm telling you right now, this is about to change the way you trade. It's about to align you up with the markets correctly. I'm telling you guys, it's going to blow your mind, honestly, man. So this was literally why I was able to catch Euro USD from the very, very lows. I got a neat, simple, sweet, clean entry, and then it ran up 715 pips in total, guys. I didn't catch the whole 715. I caught half of that move, and I told you guys, check out the other videos, it's right there. So this thing kept on rising and rising and rising and rising. I'm going to show you the exact same strategy I used to jump into that trade, and at the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys a breakdown of what's currently happening with Euro USD. So guys, make sure you watch the whole video to the end, get all the nuggets, take out your pens and papers, let's go, because you're about to learn a strategy that's going to blow your mind, man. So let's go. Yes, families, this is the source that I really want to show you guys right now, man. Ain't no one going to show you this on YouTube. You know, no one's going to give you this information. But I thought, you know what, you guys have been showing me so much love. The channel's been growing like crazy. So I'm about to give you guys some source, man. So guys, make sure you definitely take out your pens, your notepads, and let's get to learning, because this is going to be amazing. Let's just get straight into it, man. So first of all, this is your USD on a monthly time frame. You can blatantly see that price is going down. Price was going down, right? And so you got the expansion down, you got the pullback. You got the expansion, you got the pullback, expansion, pullback, then you got a massive expansion, yeah? So the market can only be in three conditions: either an expansion, a pullback, or consolidation, right? So in this case, when it got down here after the massive expansion, what did it do? It started consolidating, which just basically means the market is moving sideways, yeah? This is what I really want to talk about today, when the market is moving sideways, or a range of market, wherever you guys want to call it, yeah? So this is how you know the direction that is going to explode out into, yeah? So when it comes to consolidation, yeah, there's right now, we know that consolidation basically just means it's accumulating orders on both sides that is about to explode in one direction, yeah? So now check this out. In consolidation, if you can see this right here, you would be winning all the time. So you get one push down, yeah, then you get a pullback to the top of the range. Then you get a second push down, then you get a pullback to the top of the range. Then you get a third push down, known as the spring or the stop hunt, or whatever you want to call it, them taking out your stop losses, okay? And then it explodes up to the upside, all right? So this whole move here was an absolute beast of a beast, okay? Beast of a beast. About 2,200 pips, right? 2,200 pips. This is how you could enter something like this. I call this the free push drive, yeah? The free push drive. So one push, second push, third push, drive. Do you understand? So this is how you enter this. If you know what you're doing, then you can enter in at the spring. So you basically just wait for that one to get taken out, that one to get taken out, you enter. Simple as that, okay? Or you can enter in at the break back into the zone and the retest of the bottom of the range, yeah? So that's two possible entries. Or you can enter in right here at the break of the top of the range and retest, yeah? So that was three possible entries when price is accumulating, all right? So once it gets above here, breaks above here and retest, that's a sign of strength, and then this should go straight to the heavens. Boom, straight, just like that, okay? So it's clean and simple. So that's on a monthly time frame. So we know that right now the euro is bullish, okay? We got the push, we got the exhaustion, and now we're gonna get the second push all the way up to here, I believe. So I believe that price, I do believe we could see another 2,000 pip move, okay, which is just powerful, all right? So guys, now how did I know? Because one of the people on YouTube, they're like, you know what, yo H, how do you know that Euro USD was gonna rise? Yeah, so check this out, yeah. So not only I got my free push drive, yeah, so this is my confirmation that price is moving up, right? Okay, but if I go to the weekly time frame now, I'm gonna show you something real quick, yeah. On the weekly time frame, there's a gap here. And when I say a gap here, I mean that there's no trading action up in this joint right here. Okay, and trust me, the market does not like to leave gaps. They like to come back and then magnetize two gaps. Okay, so my second confirmation after the free push drive was the fact that there was a gap here and price was falling down. They're not just going to leave the gap. You know, they left it here. But you know they didn't really leave it, okay? They really wanted to come and touch that gap right here, and they did that. Boom. Right there, yeah? So that was another reason why I decided to enter right there. But guys, I'm gonna dig a bit deeper. I'm gonna show you something else, okay? So when I go down to the 1 hour time frame now, yeah, and I quickly scroll back down to where, down here, where price was moving, and I quickly scroll back down to here, okay? What do you guys see, yeah? You see, after a massive drop all the way down, okay, what happens? Then what you see is you start to see consolidation, right? So when you start to see consolidation, what do you do? What do you do when you see consolidation? You wait and see, you wait for the market to tell you what it wants to do, understand? So check this out, yeah? You got one push down, back to the top of the range. Second push down, back to the top of the range, false breaks. Third push down, the spring to stop people out, back to the top of the range, okay, another false break, yeah? Because it was a false break, yeah, it came back down to test the bottom of the range one more time. And then it exploded up, you understand? Yeah, then it exploded all the way up, all of this action right here, yeah? So once again, you had 3 possible entries, yeah? At not this push, not that push, but the third push down, known as the spring, that could have been your entry. You could have entered in at the bottom of the range, that could have been your entry. Right here, or you could have entered in when price broke above the zone, yeah, the top of the range, came back down for a retest here, and then you could have entered right here, just sweet like that, yeah. And guess what? They're not gonna make it easy for you. They're gonna fake it sometimes, yeah. Just like here, a false break. When it breaks above, yeah, this is not good enough. You need to see a good push, okay. There was a solid break right here, a solid break, wait for price to come back down into your zone, then you enter. As simple as that. 3 possible entries. So in this case, I knew like Euro USD was going up. So not only it was at my gap, not only the monthly time frame, I saw the 3 push drive, but I'm seeing another 3 push drive on the 1 hour time frame. 1, 2, 3. Boom. And then all you do is you enter and you just wait. You wait it out. Eventually it's gonna break, retest, add another position. You know, and then you can go forth and start adding more positions and flipping your account. You understand? And guess what? This is Euro USD right now, family. So don't think that I've forgotten about this. Don't think I've forgotten about this too. Someone asked me, what is Euro USD doing right now? I'm giving you guys the source out. I'm giving you guys the source right now, family. I'm giving you guys the source. Okay, check this out. What do you see, family? You see consolidation, right? Sideways ranging market. Okay, boom, sideways ranging. What do you see? 1 push up, 2nd push up, 3rd push up. Yeah, check it out. Then there's the break, then there's the retest, and now we're going down. Do you understand? So if you knew about this 3 push drive, you could have entered it at the very top, and you can sit back, relax, and chill. Okay, and already from this trade, we've taken tons of pips, man. This went as low as 140 pips. That's powerful, family. Okay, but guess what? So you could have entered at the spring, which is up here. Okay, the spring. So all they did here is they came back to test the spring again. Okay, the spring. You could have entered at the retest of the top of the range. Okay, so that's the second one. Or the third possible entry would have been the break of the bottom of the range, like it did here, and then you jumped in. Simple as that. And now what you see. So look at that. They tried to wick up to fake people out. Yeah, don't worry about it. It's all good. Yeah. And so check it out right now. Boom. This is what we're talking about right now. It's doing what I'm saying right now, family. Okay. So you got the 3 push drive. 1, 2, 3. Then you got the break. Yeah. You got the retest of the zone. Yeah. And this is where we enter in. So this was a possible 3rd entry. You got the break of the zone. You got the retest, and now you're in. So I'm going to go over that one more time. Okay. You get the 3 push drive in a consolidating market. Okay. When the market is moving sideways. 1 push to the upside, yeah? Here. 2nd push. 3rd push, that's the spring. That's where they normally stop you out, okay? And then you eventually get the break of the bottom of the range, a retest. You can either enter in right now, or you can wait for this 1 hour candlestick to close, and then you enter, and then you ride it all the way down. Don't forget to trade at your own risk, okay? Trade at your own risk. All right, family, so that is Euro USD. I don't really know how low it's going to drop because the euro is so bullish right now. It would be nice for price to come back down and fill this gap completely. If it does break beneath here, then I'm expecting it to at least come down here to this zone right here to fill in probably maybe down here even. Do you understand? And so yeah, this is it's a good move. It's about a 300 pip move from the very top to the bottom. So guys, this is what I believe Euro USD is going to do. So family, so that's what I really wanted to show you guys about that 3 push drive. Alright guys, so there you have it guys. Hopefully you guys took some notes, man, honestly, because I'm telling you right now, when I started using that, especially trading that with consolidated markets, everything changed. I remember being stopped out so many times thinking it's broken retested this, or it's broken retested that, or it's broken this top of the zone, so it must go in that direction, and it just completely flopped. Whereas if I just waited for the market to show me what it was going to do using this free push drive, you know, strategy. Well, technically it's a free drive push, but I know I'll be saying free push drive, but it's free drives and then the push, which is the break of the zone. That is the end of the video. Make sure you hit the like button. Let's try and get this video to 100 likes on this video. I know you guys can do it because you guys are lit like that. And I'm trying to get to 5K subscribers. So you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're new around here, man. Let's go. Let's get your boy to 5K, man. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and remember to turn on my notifications so you guys are aware whenever I release these videos. And until next time, don't sleep, fam.